Jen, otherwise we're never going to get any of this taped. This is how Genevieve's feeling about moving. So give me the status of our move.
Okay, so
What happens if
No. I mean, like, what's going on? It's Monday.
Oh, it's Monday. So in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the Packers are like coming in and assessing the house.
Plus it's my birthday.
What?
Plus it's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Andrew.
Then we've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Lexi and Austin are coming Thursday and Friday.
Lexi and Austin are coming Thursday and Friday. Then we have Saturday, Sunday. Then unaccompanied baggage Packers are coming and taking that on Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Packers for our household goods will be here. Friday, the truck will be here. Then we'll have Saturday, Sunday.
Then another week.
Monday, Tuesday, I think the next Wednesday storage will be here. And we're shipping the van. And
Tori's coming to visit.
Tori's coming to visit.
And
And
my birthday.
housing
And
is
it's-
coming.
His birthday then.
Housing is coming and walking through our house.
Then we have all our inspections. Okay, so short story of it is we have less than a week before we have movers here. So
Yes.
today we were trying to figure out how much bedding we can fit in these like black and yellow tubs. So we're trying with space bags. First we tried pillows
That's
to
my
see
pillows. Well,
how big they were.
I went and asked people if they wanted their pillows or their squishmallows.
So we decided Squishmallows basically took up about the same amount of room, and they were only like maybe 5 pounds heavier.
Yeah.
So we're taking Squishmallows. If you don't know what a Squishmallow is, it's right here. It's amazing. They're squishy and super soft.
It's like a Pillow Pet 2.0.
Yeah. So we figured out we've got the,
7 squishmallows and Charlotte's pillow.
and then her other Squishmallow will go
10
somewhere else.
blankets.
And that pretty much fills up that tub.
Yep.
Like, I don't think we can fit anything else in it. We still have to pack
All our sheets.
all our sheets. So, enough sheets. Basically, we have to bring enough bedding for 10 people
For
With-
5 months.
with us on the airplane for the next 4 to 5 months. So, that's what we've been doing today, is gathering bedding, washing it all up, putting in the space bags into the tubs. So, one quick tip. How did we get them to fit in there so nicely?
Oh, so you fill the bag, so before you suck all the air out, if you put it kind of in the top, it's going to be bigger than the bin. But if you like put it in the top and then start sucking it out and kind of just start shoving it in when the air is sucking out, it'll...
Yeah, it's nice because then it just totally fits to the bag, or to the box. Because the first time we tried to do it with our beach towels in a different bin, we like sucked all the air out, then tried to shove it in the bin, and that did not work so well. So,
No, that didn't work.
all right, so that's been the main thing that we're doing today.
Yep.
So the noise in the prior video is Michael is out pressure washing everything in the backyard because we have a few days without rain. So he's out there washing it all so it can dry, so it doesn't mold all up while it ships to us on Guam. So he's doing a great job out there. No idea I'm recording him, but that's probably for the best. Okay. So this is our,
I think this is supposed to be a closet.
yeah, I don't know, but it's going to be our do not pack room. And so far what we have in here is we have all of our luggage
It's all empty.
lined up, mostly empty, yeah.
Well,
Well,
this is the only thing not empty in here.
Okay, so this bin is open. This bin is not open. This bin is not empty. This is full of beach towels, swimsuits. Hey, we should
Flip-flops.
go ahead and
Yeah, that's it. Both of them.
put the sunscreen
Okay, give me-
in there. You need scissors?
Yep.
So we're also stashing a few snacks in here. And we've got some miscellaneous games
Nope, go get a Ziploc bag.
and
Why? Because we're going to have to open.
miscellaneous games and toys for while we're living in the hotel. We've got some neck pillows and some little blankets for the plane, most of the carry-ons, and so far this is the luggage that we have It doesn't seem like a lot when I'm looking at it. Oh, no.
No, it's all nested.
That's why I was like, hold on. I feel like we have way more
No.
luggage than this.
I went through unnested and put luggage tags on all this today, so we
we
definitely
have
a
like,
lot.
well, we're allowed 20 pieces of checked luggage and 10 carry-ons and 10 personal items.
Okay.
And yeah, we might end up maxing out on that. What do you think, girls?
On our luggage, yes.
We're packing the sunscreen in
Ziploc
Ziploc
bag.
baggies in case, you know what, we need. Oh, I wish IKEA was open.
Giant one?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the
I need
biggest
another
one.
one.
There's one right inside my room.
Okay.
A big IKEA one. So we'll try again. But we're taking some sunscreen so we don't have to worry about it right away once we get there. Another thing really quick is that I did get luggage tags for our bags. I went ahead and printed out
Here.
all of our info for our luggage tags. So I made little address labels. And just like I printed out address labels and then I stuck them to all the luggage tags instead of sitting and writing out 40 different luggage tags. So
And then we have, technically these are baby blankets, but each person in their backpack
that's where we're
gonna
at.
have a Tula blanket to cover up with on the plane because it's thin. And
But
planes
it's still
are cold.
soft and
It's
nice
soft,
and small.
By the way, what she dropped
Planes
was
are cold.
somewhat sound cancellation headphones for the little kids.
No, it sounds like they're breaking, but they don't.
Oh, it's just
Yeah, now
clicks.
put them
they
on.
click.
They actually work pretty
They
well.
click open and shut.
Yeah.
Yeah,
the neck
and they have a
pillows.
cord, but it unplugs from the top in case like somebody trips or something. I don't
Yeah.
know.
So that's where we're at in our moving. I keep thinking I need to just like
Pull-ups.
do stuff later, and I'm realizing that later never comes. So these are our unedited, like real quick raw videos
Mostly
of
backpacks for everyone.
yeah, backpacks are for the
Also-
carry-ons. So
Most of the big
Personal
suitcases is not just one big suitcase. It's
Yeah.
got 2 or 3 other suitcases inside.
I realized that earlier because I was like, this doesn't look like a lot of luggage, but it actually is.
This
So
isn't carry-on, that's personal.
all right, girls, are we ready? Less than a week. Here is another bin that's coming with us on the airplane. This has our Instant Pot, some kitchen tools, some more towels, some bowls. These are, no, don't take them out, it's fine. These are just cots for the little kids instead of them having to sleep on the floor or in beds. This is not packed well. It's right now just kind of a catch-all. And of course, we'll do a better job packing it later. Okay, so the last thing we have, semi ready, yeah, ready for the movers, is what's called our unaccompanied baggage. Now, this is our first overseas move. Even though Guam is technically the United States, it's considered overseas for a lot of things. So we get a shipment that goes ahead of all of our stuff because our regular household goods could take up to 4 months or more to get to us. So this is the stuff we're gonna live with. Besides the stuff we bring on the airplane, this is all we have. So we just have, again, just some more toiletry items like diapers and stuff that we don't wanna have to buy right away. Our snorkel gear and beach toys, because those are important. Some tools to put together, stuff when we get there, beach chairs,
More sheets.
some more sheets and towels, our mop, our Roomba. We've got that picnic basket has a whole set of dishes in it. Just really lightweight dishes. Rugs, because all of the houses on Guam are tile. Little sunshade for the beach, some air mattresses in case the beds are terrible, and then some laundry baskets. So that's all we have so far.
Did you say curtains?
Curtains, maybe. I'm hoping that we can take our nuggets with us. We're not really sure. It depends on how nice our movers are. And then we're also hoping to throw in the water table
Yeah, a couple other random
and then a
things.
couple other little, maybe our toaster and things like that. Yeah, our Berkey. Yeah, so we'll see Monday how that goes. I will try to film it. It is hard for me to remember to film all this, so as we go. So we're looking for a cameraman and an editor. But yeah, that's how the move's going so far. We've got 38 days till we get on the plane. And this is how ready we are.
Oh, I thought it was long.
Hey, Hey, there's Michael.
Why are you dripping and holding on?
Why are your AirPods wet?
They're waterproof. It's fine. Excuse me.
They're really not, but
Technically, they're sweat resistant, really.
It's fine. They were working. I just took them off whenever Daniel completely drenched me with it. 'cause I
yeah,
was
you
covered.
are so
Like
wet.
gasoline and dirt.
Yeah,
And grime. Don't forget that. I
gross.
cleaned out both trash cans and the smoker. So
Awesome. Thank you. In case you're wondering if my life is insane, yes, I have to say things like, why is there bread on the floor? No one knows.
Say that, Mom.
No, I don't think everybody has to say, why is there bread on the floor?
Like, if you go to anyone's house, like even married couple that don't have children, they'll be like, "Why is there bread on the floor?"
I feel like this is not a common occurrence.
I feel like
Yeah,
it's
I
common
don't think
occurrence.
it's a